Namaste. I just want to give a quick introduction to a new program that is going to be live soon. It's for Kundalini Yoga for beginners. If you are thinking about starting Kundalini Yoga, or maybe you have already began, but the videos that you've been watching or been working with may be a little challenging as you are a beginner. You may need more instruction. You may need more modifications where we're going slower than really quick, because Kundalini Yoga can sometimes be really quick from one movement to the other when we're working with this. Meditation is usually a slower Kundalini Yoga session, but when we're working with the movements, it can sometimes go really fast and hard to keep up when we have just began to work with pranayama or breath of fire, or just moving the physical body and trying to keep the mindfulness, our spiritual self, still while our body moves. This is beneficial for beginners, and I do feel this will be helpful to raise your vibration to your crown and beyond. It may even possibly awaken Kundalini energy. It's great for stress, anxiety, changing your nervous system and your glandular system when we are working with our nervous system, so we can feel the effects of more ease, more mindfulness, the anxiety, the stress. I hope everyone joins me here at Kundalini Sacred Goddess. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will get notifications when new videos become live. So I do encourage this. And if you like this video, please like, and always feel free to comment below to let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. Namaste.